Hi everyone, it's me, Violet Chachki. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on digital drag, which has become a very popular term lately, I am doing a look that I've always wanted to do. It's been a big inspiration of mine for a really long time. I want to do a look inspired by the artist Pater Sato, and I will be filming it from quarantine. I am currently in my apartment in Los Angeles, in my drag room, and I have everything set up. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I've been wanting to do this for a while and have like an in-home studio. So I finally had the time with quarantine to clean it and organize it and set it all up and make it look nice, I think. Again, this is my first time really using my equipment and like trying to become a YouTuber for real. So we'll see how it goes. This artist is one of my really big current inspirations. I've referenced him a few times in previous videos, but since I'm in quarantine and since I have all the time in the world, I really want to make the look perfect. And I've never really had I don't really do drag for fun. Like I usually have somewhere to be or something to do or like a time constraint or like, I've never just like had all the time in the world. So I'm gonna try to take advantage of that. So he's a huge inspiration for me. I have his book right here. I've done a photo shoot inspired by one of these images. Oh, I love this one. These are so good. Yeah, I've done looks inspired by Pater Sato before. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce his name. I think it is. If it's not how you pronounce his name, he's Japanese. So I could be totally wrong here. Someone please correct me in the comments. Let me just bite the bullet and I'm gonna go shave my entire face and do some skincare, and I'll be right back and we can start. Okay, so now that I have shaved, I am going to cover my brows, and I want like a really, really smooth surface to work with because we're doing a lot of crazy stuff, so we don't want any texture. So I'm gonna clean them with some alcohol first. I've been listening to Dua Lipa, the new album. I have no idea how to say her name. I'm so used to saying Dula Peep because of fucking Wendy Williams. So I always want to be like Dula Peep, but I've been listening to Dua Lipa's album. I actually really like it. I think this is like the first modern pop star in a while that I've actually like been into their music. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna face tape. I'm gonna be doing my eyes first, which is totally backwards than what I normally do. But since this is such a new makeup look for me with the eye, I really want to make sure it's perfect before I like mess up my foundation. I also decided that I'm gonna do like a white face, like kind of kabuki, alien-esque, I don't know, whatever. And everyone asks what tape I use, and there's no brand on it, but it's the tape that Willem sells for tucking. It's tucking tape. And I think taping is one of those things where once you start doing it, you can't stop. So if you don't want to do it forever, I don't recommend starting. It just like makes me feel like just better. I don't know. The makeup, the face is just more proportional, and I think it just feminizes it, and it gives me more eye space, which I love. So now that my eyebrows are glued down and I'm taped, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna block out my eyebrow. That looks pretty good coverage-wise. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a sort of white face. So I'm gonna put a bunch of white down as well. And I'm like, it's so weird for me to do the eyes first because I'm like, okay, well, where does the foundation color like stop and start? And like if you set it with shadows and stuff, I don't know. It's just like, I don't understand how you like meet it all up, but I guess I'll figure it out today. You gonna learn today. Hi. Oh, he wants to come up. Okay, I think we're pretty much blended. I'm gonna add a little bit more white just so it really sticks. But do not put your nose in that. He's still such a little baby. He's so curious. I don't know if him being in here while I'm doing makeup's gonna work though. We'll see if he gets into trouble. So the shape I'm gonna be doing under my eye is, I want it to kind of like go here and then create a cat eye a bit. I don't really know, honestly. I'm just kind of making this up. Like, I'm taking Pater Sato as an inspiration and kind of making it work for my face and kind of making it more drag. My tape is like already lifting. So we'll see. We'll see how it works. I'm gonna be using this purple liner pot thing. And I'm gonna be going under my eye. I'm like, okay, when you're doing just your eyes first, like, do you put foundation under your eye? Or do you just leave it like bare or what? I guess I'm just gonna leave it bare. Let's see what happens. Just gonna take a little bit of purple shadow. I'm exhausted already, bitch. I feel like I take so long to do makeup. Like, even like when I know what I'm doing, I take long. I'm really like not that good of a makeup artist. I'm really happy with how everything is turning out. I cleaned up my purple lines. I really like them. I think it gives sort of that space age cat eye snatched look that I'm going for. So I think now I'm going to draw my eyebrows on, and I'm gonna keep them really, really, really thin. I was thinking about maybe not doing eyebrows at all, but I feel like eyebrows are kind of my, like, a really big part of who I am. So I'm gonna keep them, but I'm just gonna do them really light. Just like that really good, thin, barely there brow. I'm into it. It kind of looks like a butterfly, which I'm definitely into. I'm gonna go in now with some liquid eyeliner and just kind of darken my brow up and make it really pop. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go in with the white under my brow and just really make that highlight pop. Okay, I think I'm ready to start the foundation. I'm like scared, honestly, but I have nothing to be scared of. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my face white. Okay, I'm definitely feeling the kabuki fantasy. I'm just gonna go in now and do the highlights with more, just like a bigger concentration of the white. Okay, so I've kind of got my like base on, and I'm gonna go in now with, it's actually a brow product, but it's just red. And I hope this works. I kind of tested it on my hand and kind of blended the two, and I like the way it looked. So I'm gonna contour with red, and now I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so I have done all of my blending. I've gotten the red contour on. It's kind of cooked for a minute. I'm gonna go back in now and continue working on the eye. I'm gonna go in with the red and kind of create a similar shape squiggle, like down the other side. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some liquid lipstick now. This is a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I just feel like it's gonna be a bit better than the brow stuff for this. Okay, so there are the red lines I'm gonna do, and I want to like make the purple a bit more like neon, I think. I have some like purple neon liner. I'm just gonna go in with some red now. Do that. Okay, I feel like I'm finally at a place where it's like looking like something good. How are you guys doing out there? I mean, how is everyone quarantining? What is going on? What is everyone doing to not be so f***ing bored. I mean, it's like 5 a.m. right now. I'm sleeping literally until like 5 every day. I'm going to bed at 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm like ordering so much Uber Eats and caviar and like delivery food because I'm so sick of cleaning and doing dishes. Like, I don't cook. Like, I never really cook. It's not my thing. Like, I'm always traveling, whatever. And I used to keep, in my old place, I would keep my shoes in my kitchen cabinets. Like, it was just like not a thing. And so I like was making a real effort to like prepare food. And I went to the store and like got a bunch of stuff, but it's so much work, like keeping track of like what's in your fridge, what's going bad, what's fresh. It's like I have to have a roll. And then there was like, they sell, I'm single, I live alone, I don't have roommates. And like they only sell eggs by the dozen at some places and a whole loaf of bread. It's like, I'm not gonna buy a dozen eggs or like a whole loaf of bread or something. It's like, I don't wanna have eggs every single day for like, you know, a week or 2 weeks, whatever it is. So I kind of gave up on the whole cooking thing. And it's the dishes. It's like I feel like I'm always doing dishes. It never ends. It's like a never ending cycle. So I decided to go back to my old ways of takeout. I love ordering food to the house. It's so much better. And you're supporting local businesses, right? I'm so missing restaurants. Like, that's the thing I think I miss the most. It's just being able to sit down and have someone be like, hi, I'm Susan. What do you want to have? Like, can I get you some appetizers? I really I miss that. I need that. I deserve that. You know? It's really not that much to ask for. Okay, my battery's like dying because I like forgot to charge the battery before I started this, so I'm having to like take breaks while it charges. I'm gonna like add more purple, add more purple and add some pink. Oh my god, okay, so I'm gonna use this like neon pink before I take a break. I'm gonna use this neon pink. Look at how amazing this is. So good, right? Like, so beautiful. It's these like fluorescent pigments and they glow in black light, and it comes with like a liquid liner, and then it also comes with the pigment. I got them on Amazon. I forgot what for, but I love them. They like really like kick the look up a bunch. It feels a bit more like airbrushed and like a bit more elevated with the neons. So I'm just gonna keep adding those in off camera. I'm gonna add more purple, and I'm also gonna introduce green into the mix. So we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna take a break because the battery has to charge. Okay, so my battery is dying, but I added this green shadow on my lid, and I'm just gonna do it to the other side now. I went in first with some white and just kind of used it as a base. So I'm just gonna quickly cover the areas I want with white. Okay, now I'm going in with green. I'm really into how it's looking. It's definitely looking like how I wanted it to look. So that I'm very happy about. So I want to do like a silver lid, and I've been wanting to do like a silver like chrome look. Like, this is a very chromey look, but I don't know how that would work. So I'm taking this Pat McGrath silver and I'm just gonna put it like right in the center of the eye. I feel like using your finger makes the pigment like, I don't know if it like heats up more or like, with metallics, I feel like your finger is the best. Like, a brush doesn't really, it's almost like a cream. Well, I think that we are at a point where it's pretty much time for the lips and the lashes. Okay, well, it's taken a very long time, but I think the makeup is about done. It's taken me forever. I topped off my lip with this Pat McGrath in Elson. Like, I like that contrast between the dark liner and the bright lip. I'm gonna do some gloss at the very end, but I'm gonna put my wig on. I also need to top it off with some mascara. I love this Pat McGrath mascara. Super nice and chunky and thick. I like really piecey lashes. I feel like this mascara really thickens. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I'm excited to put the wig on. It's like 5 in the morning. What time is it for real? It's 5:08 a.m. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put some highlighter on and then I'm gonna put the wig on. And this wig is really exciting because I worked really hard on it. Alone, I usually have a wig stylist, but not during quarantine. It is time to put the wig on. I'm so excited. I've got little curly cues for the sides and it's a gorgeous lace front. So I'm gonna do that off camera. All right, and there you have it, my Pater Sato inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned to everything going on in my world, and I'll see you in the magazines. Mwah!